Tired of reaching those high windows? The CEYEE W1 robotic window cleaner promises to automate glass cleaning with its intelligent design. It features dual spray nozzles, AI navigation, and strong suction to handle mirrors and large windows. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's explore how the CEYEE W1 performs in real-world scenarios and what buyers can truly expect from its functionality. While it promises to tackle dust and light stains with its dual spray system, the actual cleaning effectiveness for common grime lacks strong, independent validation. The device offers straightforward operation and multiple modes for various cleaning scenarios, making it relatively user-friendly for most glass surfaces. This robot is best suited for large, smooth glass where manual cleaning is a chore, though it still demands supervision during operation. The system claims strong suction and safety features, but long-term reliability and consistent adherence across varied conditions are less clear. This robot offers interesting automation, but its practical performance and reliability across various real-world conditions currently lack strong, independent evidence. Next, we assess whether the asking price for the CEYEE W1 aligns with its features and standing in the market. Considering the AI navigation, dual spray, and safety systems, the feature set is competitive, especially if the unit is discounted. CEYEE is an emerging brand offering innovative features, and while not established, they aim to build trust with their product offerings. This unit faces stiff competition from more established brands in the robotic cleaning market, making its price point crucial for appeal. The value proposition becomes considerably stronger for buyers when this window cleaning robot is available with meaningful discounts. The value proposition improves significantly for buyers when this unit is discounted, as it faces strong competition from more established alternatives. Finally, we examine the potential risks and complaints associated with the CEYEE W1 to inform your buying decision. Independent verification of the robot's construction quality, especially concerning its long-term safety and durability, is currently quite limited. The consistent adherence and reliable operation of the robot on various surfaces over time lacks sufficient independent long-term evidence for high confidence. The long-term support and warranty claims from CEYEE are not yet fully proven, which introduces a potential buyer risk. While the app promises intuitive control and modes, its stability and the overall software experience need more widespread user feedback to confirm. Our research highlights that buyer confidence is reduced due to limited independent evidence on the robot's build quality, long-term reliability, and customer support. The CEYEE W1 robotic window cleaner offers an interesting glimpse into automated glass cleaning for those with large, smooth surfaces. However, our research indicates limited independent evidence for its overall performance and long-term safety, leading to reduced buyer confidence. For potential buyers, waiting for a meaningful discount or stronger independent validation is the most prudent approach before investing in this technology. This is a product best suited for early adopters willing to supervise its operation closely.